Have you ever seriously considered that starting your investment journey in the UK is actually accessible right now? Even with a modest starting sum of just £50, we are going to clearly break down the simple steps you need to take to get started on this exciting new path today. Okay, so once you have that initial £50 ready, the very next crucial action you need to take is selecting a user-friendly investment platform to execute your trades. The process generally involves a straightforward sign-up, a quick verification step, and then suddenly, you are completely set up and ready to make your first move. Forget the old notion that you need a massive bank balance, because nowadays you absolutely do not need thousands of pounds just to own a small part of a large successful company. Thanks to the magic of fractional shares, you can now invest small amounts into globally recognized giants, like major tech companies. Even when one full share costs a fortune, if the volatility of individual stocks makes you a little nervous, a fantastic alternative is looking into diversified exchange-traded funds or broad market index funds. Think of these funds as a carefully curated basket holding hundreds of different assets, which significantly helps in spreading out any potential investment risk. To manage any anxiety surrounding potential losses, always establish a firm investment budget up front that you are genuinely comfortable potentially losing entirely. Remember this important principle. Successful long-term investing is definitely a patient marathon, where consistency matters far more than short bursts of speed. A truly powerful strategy involves promptly reinvesting any dividends you receive, effectively creating a snowball effect, where your earnings start generating even more money for you. Given all these accessible options, what precisely is holding you back from taking that crucial first step today to begin building your financial future? With even that initial £50, you are transcending simple saving because you are actively putting your money to work to generate real, substantial wealth over time. Now, let's pivot entirely and explore a genuinely fascinating and perhaps surprising element of UK finance involving certain beautifully minted silver investment coins. Typically, the government levies capital gains tax on profits from selling assets like property or shares. But these specific silver pieces offer an incredible exception. The critical reason these specific coins avoid capital gains tax is simply because they possess an official face value, meaning the HMRC views them as actual currency. Astonishingly, it absolutely does not matter if the current market value of your coin dramatically exceeds that minimal printed face value on the metal. When you eventually sell one of these exempt coins, the tax authority perceives the transaction as a simple exchange of one form of currency for another, not a taxable profit event. This unique situation creates a perfectly legal and frankly quite brilliant avenue for achieving tax-efficient growth on a portion of your investment portfolio. Therefore, it's certainly worth seriously considering integrating some of these officially recognized, shiny, and potentially tax-free silver treasures into your overall strategy. Keep your keen eye on these smart opportunities. Remember to like this video, follow for more simple UK money insights, and subscribe right now.